Number 3 is comparing yourself to others. Ito talaga yung ugaling magpapahirap sa'yo, guys. Yung nakita mo yung kapitbahay mo na may bagong appliances, bagong sasakyan, magaganda at branded na bags at damit. And as a neighbor, you want that too so you can fit in. Kung gagastos ka kagaya ng neighbor mo, of course, you'll end up financially distressed. You are not your neighbor, guys. Huwag mong ikumpara ang sarili mo. You are you. And the best version of you is financially independent and living within your means. Plus, looks can be deceiving. Baka naman yung neighbor mo ay nagkakapatong-patong din ang utang niya. Well, we don't know, guys. Never ever compare yourself, guys. Kasi once na ginawa mo yan, magiging habit mo na rin ang pagiging mapagkumpara. And syempre, dyan napapasok yung